Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Cricut the Heart, and I am back with a tag flip project. This is actually a project using items from my Darcie's kit. And so this kit, I already did a haul on it, as well as a first project look, where I showed you some cards I made with it. And now I'm taking some of those pieces and making a tag flip. So the flip isn't completely, I would say, done, because I have no, I didn't make this with a project or a person in mind. I just kind of made it. So if it's something I'm going to send out, I probably will personalize it a little bit more, maybe add some other goodies depending on what that person likes. But it's kind of halfway ready to go, which is kind of nice. So the first tag here, and the tag, all I did was cut my paper at 3.5 by 5.5, and then I used my scallop corner punch and a hole punch, and I covered the paper back to back because it's single-sided. So for this front one, all I did was I stamped one of the stamps that came in the kit and colored it in with Copics, and I used one of these cute little tin pins on top, and then one of the sentiments I punched out, and then I also punched out the scallop, and I used my cat scrappiness as a mat. So that's that first one. And then on the back of this one, I did a tag. So I decorated it, and then here is my tag. Just a simple little tag using a Darcie's stamp. The back side is blank. Some ribbon on top. And so that's that one right there. And then for this one, what I did was I made a corner pocket, and I did some pom-pom trim. And then in here for this tag, I did a couple of bows. These are my creative time. The scallop bow, and I just made a couple of bows, and it fits right in here. So then on this back side of it, just kind of decorated it, made a little pocket. And then I put some ephemera right here. Okay, so this pocket right here, this tag, I just did a pocket, and I stamped this stamp from the Darcie's kit, colored it in with Copics, did a sentiment, and then in here is a base for a little goodie. So in here I put some rhinestones. And goes in there like that. And then the back side of it, I made a little pocket. And then I put some die cut words. So I think it's like love, XOXO, and I think cheers. So put some little words in there. And then this pocket right here, I put some ribbon that matches the color scheme. That goes right here. And then in the back, I just did some sequins, like a little sequin mix that then they could take off and that they could use. Actually, they can just peel the top off and pour it out and use it. And my little bows fell out. So it's just a really simple little tag flip. And I kind of like this idea of kind of just going ahead and creating some stuff and having it ready to go. So whenever there's a challenge or someone's birthday or something like that, I have some things kind of ready to go so I can just finish them up, personalize them, and send them. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut the Heart.